Hello, Lewis. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO, just shooting you over that video about how you can increase your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website. First and foremost, you got a really nice header. You got a nice logo, and then, of course, all the drop-down menus. So, I know you have your phone number in the corner here. What I would advise is making that a click to call so that someone can get on the phone with you right away instead of having to dial it from their phone because people are lazy. And the easiest thing you can do is make it as easy as you can for your clients or potential customers. Of course, going through your homepage, a bunch of really nice pictures, and of course, experience, how long you've been here in Raleigh, and then different projects, looking through, which they look awesome, by the way, and get a call or put your email in for the estimate, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, looking through, it's a really nice website. I don't see like the most amount of content on it. I only see around 300 words. What Google is truly looking for is about 1,500 to 2,000 words, so you can organically put keywords in. Now, what those keywords are any buyer intent words that someone's putting into Google to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. Two main things are your UR rating and your DR rating. Your UR rating is the strength of your website, which is 22, and the DR rating is the trust Google places in your website, which as you can see, it's a 0.9. Now, ideally, you're looking at it between 30 to 40 for each, which that's like the golden ratio. The way you get that is with your backlinks. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful, but a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that is relevant to your service. Now, sorry, I jumped the gun there. What a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, another huge important thing are those organic keywords, those buyer intent words. So Google says you have 289. Let's check to see what those are. So complete flooring, completely flooring, flooring works, all of these are generic. Unfortunately, they might have some volume to them, but anyone in the US or anyone with Google can search for these. So we're looking for floor installation. 80 people, you're at the top, you're at the very, very bottom of the first page, and you're only getting you're getting two people because of that. Flooring contractors, 52 people. You're at the bottom of the page. Let's look for a good one. I am not seeing some of the better ones for Raleigh. So the best one for Raleigh, for flooring, is just simply Flooring Raleigh, North Carolina. So first thing that pops up when you put this in are your keywords. Are your ads. These are the people that are paying to be front and center. Second thing is your Google Map Pack. It's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of people will stop right here and pick one of these three people because that's the easiest thing to do. Then you have your organic rankings by strength of website. So USA Flooring will be your top competition in Raleigh. Now, just looking at their website, they have some nice click to calls. They have their social media stuff connected. They have their drop downs, but as you can see, they don't really have a terribly big website. But let's check why they're doing so well. So looking behind the scenes, as you can see, they have a strength of 35 and a trust of 16, which is pretty good. As well as they have almost 3,700 backlinks, along with 1,200 keywords. So they're doing pretty strongly in that. So let's check out what their keywords are. So, of course, that's them in Durham, and then Flooring Raleigh, North Carolina, 400 volume. As you can see, they were on the first position, so they're getting 10% of that through their site to find their specific services. Flooring Wilmington, 400 search. They're in the second or third, they're getting 34 from that. Fayetteville, 250. They're in the second or third, they're getting 28 from that. So as you can see, they're getting some good buyer intent words from their content that Google is saying, hey, we're going to rank them for these words because it's relevant content. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, we got to raise those backlinks. We got to get some good, strong backlinks to start ranking your site higher and getting these numbers up. Good thing is, there's work. You know there's work because they're ranking number one. So you can always take their backlinks, add them to yours, or as many as you can. Of course, you can't add them all because they have their own blog, so that's kind of their specifics. However, you can always start your own and take the ones that you can, add them to yours. And then, of course, content. You want to get 1,500 to 2,000 words so you can put those organic keywords that you saw, those buyer intent words that they were ranking well for. You can put them in your own site and start ranking for those as well. So you can start getting that higher traffic through your site for buyer intent people. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. You have a blessed rest of your day.